Rental properties in the Golden State will soon be required to have a working stove and refrigerator.
This week, Governor Newsom signed a new bill into law enforcing the new rule. California has been notorious for shocking new renters with its lack of fridges. The California Rental Housing Association, which advocates for landlords, opposed the bill, calling it a, quote, costly and unnecessary mandate. There are a few exceptions to the law, including single-room units, permanent supportive housing, and buildings with communal kitchens. The law goes into effect January 1st.